Hey y'all, it's me, Sarah, the owner of Speaking of Bangles. If you clicked on this video, you already know you want to see the inventory that we got in stock. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell. Let's get on to the video. My curls are looking nice. Oh yeah, by the way y'all, if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my personal channel. I do a lot of beauty and other stuff there. So yeah, I have so many tutorials on this freaking hair, on this little wig. So this unboxing is going to be different because instead of like me just pointing the camera out the floor, we're just gonna actually, I'm gonna actually lift all this stuff up. Okay. Oh yeah, and by the way y'all, make sure you check out all the links down below. All my social medias, all my businesses. I only have 2 businesses. I have Speaking of Bangles and Speaking of Charms. And I sell croc charms on Speaking of Charms. Speaking of Bangles, it's just jewelry and wholesale. So yeah, just to talk about the confusion. There's a lot of other websites that have Speaking of. Those aren't me. I don't know why they're trying to be. It's not funny, but it's like kind of funny. I didn't expect like people to actually try to like pretend to be me, but there's people that actually try to pretend to be me. It's kind of weird. This is how big the box is, filled with stuff. So we're gonna go little by little with all the stuff. So a lot of y'all been having questions about wholesale. The only things I'm only selling is charms. I'm probably never going to sell bangles separately and other things because you could easily find those things at, on Amazon. I have a Amazon vendors list down below, so if you click on that, it will take you right to there. Okay, so the box is now opened. We got a lot of bubble wrap we're about to unpack. We have a whole lot of bubble wrap. So, things first, we have bears. We have bears. These are super cute. Different colors. By the way y'all, if you guys want to buy these charms, link is in my bio. I'll put the direct wholesale link linked in the bio. You get 50 pieces of charms for $25. Have keys. They're like little key things. Hold on, they're little key charms that say lucky star, I think, and then it says pretty girl, and they have them in different colors. They're super pretty and super cute. Oh my god, I got little baby hands. Anyway. Then we have more key charms. But these are in like solid colors instead of, you know, the holographic kind of colors with glitter. So all these say pretty girl on them. Because y'all some pretty girls, period. We all pretty up in this chat. We have bears. Oops. Sorry y'all. That's what the bears look like. I'm about to make hella bracelets with them. And I'm about to be doing a lot of other things with them as well. Okay, so next we have the little Barbie charms. Y'all love these little Barbie charms. I'm telling you, like oh, I can't speak English. All these charms are gonna be in my little wholesale section. So you get a pack of 50 for $25, and it's gonna have a mixture of all these charms I'm about to show y'all. So the little purses. These are super cute. I love these purses, like especially the pink ones. They're super cute for I keep saying cute, I'm so sorry. They're adorbs. Love this camera. It focuses so well. Child, maybe I should start using this camera for content. The little Paris Eiffel Tower type, you know, Johns here. And we got diamonds. Rest of these is just bangles. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're just regular plain bangles. I have them in gold and silver for, you know, bracelet making purposes. Got these little mini bears. I thought these were super cute. They're just little, like, you know, little mini bears that say, I think they say smile on them. I'm kind of blind, y'all. So yeah, I think they say smile on them. So yeah. Next we have flowers, little mini flowers. I thought these were gonna be cute for y'all. And y'all get your own little mini charms in your little packaging. Or if you bought bangles, if you buy the bangles, these will look so cute on the bangles as well. Then I have little sunglass charms. These are super adorable. Like, I can't wait to make hella bangles with these. Super cute. I guess you could call them like the Claws bears. You know that brand with the like X's on them? You could call them those. I thought these were gonna be super adorable on bangles. These are super adorable. And these are like all the different colors. Oh my god, I can't wait to make so many bracelets with these. I really can't wait. We have the dices. Super cute. They're just regular dice. These stuck on you charms. Different colors. Next we have the, I think they're called Mimi Q charms. I don't know how to pronounce these. It starts with M. The little, you know, cute flower charms. Y'all love these so much. Ooh, focus, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. Cookie type heart charms. I thought these were super adorable. I can't wait to put these in your like wholesale packages for whoever who wants to buy wholesale. I thought these would be super cute. Okay. Then we have these kind of lollipop type ice cream charms, or like a assortment of random candy charms. I thought these were gonna be super cute. So they're cute little candy charms. And next I have everybody's favorite ice cubes, and they're my favorite as well. I love putting ice cubes on bangles. They're just super cute and super stylish. It goes with any outfit, so that's why I always have ice cubes on deck. Split rings. Anybody knows these are the #1 tools for your bangles to stay on your wrist forever is split rings. No jump rings over here, baby. These look like they're just split rings, because I do hella TikToks and reels with split rings, so y'all should know what they are. But if you don't, I'll be doing a one-on-one bangle video, so y'all would know a lot of information on that. So, like ballerina dancer charms. Come on, focus. Baby, focus. I don't think it's gonna focus that well. But they look like this. Let me look like this. They're super cute. Y'all, I can't wait to make some bracelets with these. They're super cute. Next we have, oh wait, actually they're the same thing, so these are the last two. We have silver and gold in the key charms. I love these little charms. I think they're just like really stylish. So anything that's stylish for my babes, because y'all gotta look good on the wrist. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys what my desk look like. It looks pretty crusty. If you guys like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me guys what videos I should do next. Make sure you check out my wholesale. All these charms will be linked in my wholesale tab. They come in an assortment of 50 charms for $25, so you'll be making about probably like 20 bangles with all those charms. And then you get to like price them a certain way you want to, or you could just make your own bangles. I know a lot of my customers make their own bracelets and rock them to school and stuff, or rock them to college, or you know, to work. We sell bangles. I also sell beaded bracelets and other things as well. Check out my croc charm business. Right now I'm actually wearing my Crocs. They look like this, so they're cute. Focus. They're like super cute. And these are also linked down below. My croc charm business. We got a little bear and Chanel and then Prada. So if you guys like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Everything's linked down below, all my social medias. Make sure you follow all my social medias to be updated when I'm going to be posting a next video. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Peace. So this is what the aftermath of my desk looks like. All the charms. Peace.